Good morning, students. From today, your class 9's class is started. So, firstly, we will finish the algebraic portion. So, I already given you the syllabus. So, in algebraic portion, the first chapter is expansion. So, let's start this chapter. Chapter number 4. So, firstly, introduce the formulas. So, you know that the first formula is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Clear? A minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. If you add this a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square, then what happen? A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. It will be a square plus b square plus 2ab plus a square plus b square minus 2ab. So 2ab will be deduct, and what you will get? 2 times of a square and 2 times of b square. So if you take common 2, then what is left? A square plus b square. So a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square formula is 2 into a square plus b square. Now if you put here minus, then what happen? A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, then it will be a square plus b square plus 2ab minus a square minus b square, this is plus 2ab. So this time a square will be deduct and b square will be deduct, and what is left here? 4ab. So the formula is a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. So this is another formula. So you have to remember this 4 formula only for doing this chapter. Now go to exercise problem. Exercise 4a. So go to question number 5 problem. So here is given if a plus b is equal to 7 and ab is equal to 10, then find a minus b. So a plus b is given and a into b is given. You have to find out a minus b. So how to find? So we know that a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. So which things are given? A plus b is given and ab is given. Just put the values. So a plus b is 7, so this is 7 square minus a minus b whole square and 4ab. That means 4 into 10. So you have to find out a minus b whole square. So this will be a minus b whole square. This is 49, and if you multiply it, you will get 40. This 40 go to that side. This will be minus 40 happen. So 8 minus b whole square is equal to 9 happen. So a minus b is equal to plus minus 3 happen, because if anything comes out from the root over, then plus minus will happen here. Now go to our next problem. So our next problem, go to question number 7. So in question number 7 there is given x plus y is equal to 7/2 and xy is equal to 5/2. So you have to find x minus y, number 1, and number 2 x square minus y square. Now go to the solution. So we know that similar way x plus, we know that x plus y whole square minus x minus y whole square is equal to 4 into xy, because these two are given, x plus y is given and xy is given. That means we have to use this formula, because we have to find x minus y here. So x plus y is given 7/2, so 7/2 whole square. X minus y we have to find into 4, xy is given 5/2. So this is 49/4, and this is x minus y whole square, and there is 10 happen. So x minus y whole square go to that side, this will be plus happen, and 49/4, and if this 10 go to that side, this will be minus happen. So x minus y whole square is equal to, there is 4, 49 minus 40, so this will be 9/4 happen. So x minus y will be root over 9/4, and whenever anything comes out from the root over, this will be plus minus happen. So plus minus 3/2 happen here. Now go to our next problem, question number 2. So question number 2 here asking you find out x square minus y square. So x square minus y square, we know about the formula of x square minus y square, that is x plus y and x minus y. So we already know about the value of x plus y, that is 7/2, and x minus y we just find plus minus 3/2. So if you multiply them, you will get plus minus 21/4. So this is the answer. Now go to another problem like this. Go to question number 9. So question number 9 is, there is given if a minus b is given 4 and a plus b is 6, then find a square plus b square and ab. So go to the solution. So we know that, so this time you have to use which formula? a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to 2 into a square plus b square. Because a minus b is given, a plus b is also given, you have to find out a square plus b square. Okay, so a plus b whole square is how much given? A plus b 6 given, so this will be 6 square, plus a minus b is given 4, so this will be 4 square is equal to 2 into a square plus b square happen. So 2 into a square plus b square, it will be 36 plus 16. So 2 into a square plus b square is equal to, there is 2 and 1 is carry, and 4, 52 happen. So that is a plus b whole square is equal to 52 divided by 2. If you deduct this, 2 is 4. So a square plus b square is equal to 26 happen. Now again we have to find out a into b. So how to find this value? So again, now which things are given? A minus b is given, a plus b is given, and we just find a minus a square plus b square value. So which formula you can use here? So we know that you can use here a plus b whole square formula or a minus b whole square formula for finding ab's value. We are using here a plus b whole square formula. So a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, is it? So a square plus b square, a plus b is given 6, so this will be 6 square happen, and a square plus b square just find 26 plus 2ab happen. So this will be 2ab is equal to, there is 36 minus 26, so ab will be 10 happen to ab, so ab it will be 5 happen. Clear? So in this way you have to do other problems. Thank you everyone.